ìròyìn tó tẹ̀ wá lọ́wọ́ lórí fake agency saga tó ń lọ lórílẹ̀‐èdè nàìjíríà tí ọmọọba Adeniyi Adeyemi tí ó kírètì agency fake agency ayédèrú iléeṣẹ́ ọba tó sì ń gba òrìbìtìbìtì owó jáde. Ṣé gbà pé ṣe rántí pé ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ fake agency yìí ọkàn olórí òṣìṣẹ́ lọ́fíìsì ààrẹ orílẹ̀‐èdè nàìjíríà ìyẹn Femi Gbajabiamila. Gbajabiamila ti wá jáde ó ní òun pe Prince Adeniyi Adeyemi lẹ́jọ́ òun sì ń béèrè 15 billion naira owó ìbanilórúkọjẹ́. Orílẹ̀‐èdè nàìjíríà ó lágbára ẹni tán fẹ̀sùn kàn tí ìwádìí ń lọ lọ́wọ́ tí ó wá ń jáde tó lóun ń pè èèyàn lẹ́jọ́ ẹni tán jọ fẹ̀sùn kàn tó wá ń béèrè 15 billion naira. Ṣe rí i pé ọ̀rọ̀ nàìjíríà orí bákan. Kí làwọn èèyàn ń wí, kí làwọn èèyàn ń sọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ó sì tẹ̀ wá lọ́wọ́ á mú wá fún wa, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ á wo fídíò yìí, fídíò ọmọbìnrin tí ẹ̀ ń wò lójú móhùnmáwòrán yín yẹn. Ọmọbìnrin yẹn ti para rẹ̀, ó ti dolóògbé, òun ló ti para rẹ̀, suicide ni. Kí wá ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tí ọmọbìnrin yìí fi para rẹ̀? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tó fi gbẹ̀mí ara rẹ̀? Ó ṣẹlẹ̀ wípé ọmọbìnrin yẹn ó ṣe alábàápàdé ọmọkùnrin kan àbí arákùnrin kan lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára. Arábìnrin yìí wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ arákùnrin yẹn wípé ṣó lè ràn lọ́wọ́ láti monetize péèjì òun kan. Arákùnrin yẹn sọ fún un wípé iṣẹ́ òun ni pé òun lè bá ṣe dáadáa tó bá ti lè wá síbi tóun wà. Ọmọbìnrin yìí gbà láti tọ ọmọ arákùnrin yẹn lọ. Ìgbà tó débẹ̀ àṣàbà ni àṣàbà ló ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Arákùnrin yìí ní kó ká lọ sí hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì ilé ìtura pé ilé ìtura làwọn ó ti jọ sọ̀rọ̀ lòun ó ti ṣe tí ó bá wá fún un. Ìgbà tá a délé ìtura ọ̀tọ̀ ni tí ọmọbìnrin yìí bá lọ sọ́dọ̀ arákùnrin yìí, ọ̀tọ̀ ni tí arákùnrin yìí fi ń lọ ọmọbìnrin yẹn. Lédè kankan mú fọ̀rọ̀ gùn, arákùnrin yẹn bá ọmọbìnrin yẹn lò pọ̀ ọmọ ọdún 21 21 years ó bá lò papọ̀. Ó sì jẹ́ wípé arákùnrin yẹn ni ọkùnrin àkọ́kọ́ tí ó kọ́kọ́ bá ọmọbìnrin yẹn lò pọ̀, tó túmọ̀ sí pé ọmọbìnrin yẹn ò tíì mọ ọkùnrin tẹ́lẹ̀ rí. First person tí ó kọ́kọ́ rí gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọkùnrin òun náà ni arákùnrin yẹn. Ìgbà tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí ṣẹlẹ̀, ọmọbìnrin yìí ojú rẹ̀ là, ó wá rí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìtìjú tí ó sì gbẹ̀mí ara rẹ̀, ó pa ara rẹ̀ dànù. Ìgbà tí iṣẹ́ ìwádìí bẹ̀rẹ̀, wọ́n rí arákùnrin yìí mú. Arákùnrin yìí wá ń bẹ̀bẹ̀, ó ń tọrọ àforíjìn lọ́wọ́ àwọn òbí, lọ́wọ́ ìjọba yìí pé àṣìṣe ni, iṣẹ́ èṣù ni. Ẹ gbọ́, kí ni ká ti pè yé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò wá, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbọ́ wá, kí lè ròyìn, kí ni ìwòye yín? Ṣùgbọ́n ká ẹ tó sọ èrò àti ìwòye yín gan, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ àlàyé tí ọmọbìnrin yìí ṣe kó tó gbẹ̀mí ara rẹ̀, kó tó pa ara rẹ̀ dànù. Ó lágbára ẹ jẹ́ á gbọ́ ká jọ wò láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé parí.
Everyone here, my name is Femi from Warri. This will be the last video of me, the whole world. Last video of me, the whole world will be seeing. By the time you will be seeing this video, I'm already dead. And because of my death, he's Otogu Asaba. He's staying in Apanam Road, BTS Apanam Road. Which is by Hilton Hotel. I think that's the name of the hotel. Hip Hotel. He has a boutique in the hotel. His boutique is inside the reception of that hotel. Once you get to Military Junction, when you get to Military Junction in Asaba, like Road, Military Junction, you see the hotel. It's the first hotel by the road by Military Junction, by your left. He's a big content creator. He has a sales girl called Obozomi and Shioma. This video is dedicated to him. As at last 2 weeks, Friday, I can't remember the actual date, but last 2 weeks, Friday. Today date is 14. I'm making this video on the 14th. So last 2 weeks, Friday from on the 14th. This was when this event happened. First of all, I met him online on Monday, which is on Monday before Friday. And I told him that I'm going through some problems and I need money to sort out the family problem. I thought I was worried. And I told him that I know of a man. He has helped me a lot when I was in Asaba. But the man is not staying in Asaba. The man is staying in Abuja. But he wants to stick with me. But I can't go. And I texted him that I need his advice. And I texted him for that advice. So I will know if he will be able to give me any ideas, like advice or any ideas of how to make money. Or just advice. I just needed someone to talk to because I don't have a friend. I don't have any friend. I told him, he said I should not go. Even without me telling him, yes, I would have not still go to that Abuja. Because I've not been to Abuja once before. Secondly, I know I'm a virgin. That was why I told him. And I would have still not do it. I just told him to just let the burden out of me. He said I should not go. That I should come to meet him in Asaba on Friday. When he told me to come and meet him on Friday, he said I should come and meet him on Friday. He's going to help me. He did not tell me that let me come, that let him sleep with me. He's going to give me the amount of money I want. No. He just told me, come to us. Can you come to us on Friday? I will help you. My phone was on disappear mode, so I don't have screenshots of those messages anymore. But I'm sure it will be on his phone. Since my phone is on 24-hour disappear, my own chat will not appear in his side, but his own will appear. And his own is more evidence because the chat will be there when he told me to come, that he wants to help me. And he did not engage in any conversation with me with sex. That when I say, okay, I'm going there, I know he wants to sleep with me with the money. No, there was no conversation of such. So we planned on Friday. I went to the park. He said I should get to the park and call him. I went there, he called me on video call to be sure I'm in the park. He sent me the transport fare to pay because I told him I don't have the time. I went there. My parents are not away. My family members are away. I later told my sister, my twin sister, I'm going to Asaba. And I sent her the phone number and the man in case anything happens to me. But I didn't tell her what I was going there for because me, I don't know. I got there. I went to his shop. From there, he said he wants to go to the car wash. Went to the car wash, then he went to the hotel. In my mind, what is he doing in the hotel? I was like, okay, maybe that's where he normally stays. So even before we entered, they told me that this is where he normally lodge, normally stay most times. I said, okay. I was not scared. I didn't have this in mind that I would do anything of sex because he's a popular person and he would not want to try do rubbish because people might drag him on. That was where my mistake came from. I went inside. The person stopped, relaxed and wants to be with me. And all that. But then I was on top of the bed, foolishly me. I allowed him to put my clothes. That was where I made the mistake. And I told him that, please, I cannot do this. I'm done. I'm still with him. I had to remind him that maybe he's not remember how to remind him. So, I'm not doing this. So, even if I want to do this, I want to do it with somebody that I know that I'm dating. For love and not for money. I cannot do this for money or anything. Even about the money. Even when he carry me down, but even tell me, say, okay, how much do you want? Or I'll give you the money. We did not bargain on sex with money. You know he's a man. He was already pulling my clothes. I was trying to stop him, but no, he was still pulling me. So I said, okay, this man is going to do this thing by force. He put my clothes. And I told him no. So he tried. He was not saying that the thing was not entering. So I told him that you see, I'm a virgin. So he should not hate her. Just let me go. He said, okay. I said, I won't stand up. You know, I'm lying down like this. Process of me to turn side and stand up. He can't use my back, he can't use my back face plan. He can't use me and cover my mouth. He used his hand to cover my mouth and then he pressed my back on the bed. It was like what? It was not really. I was shouting. Nobody could hear. I couldn't even shout because of the pressure on his hand on my mouth. So they did it. They really did it. My head was. And I stopped. I came down from the bed. I thought that the thing didn't even enter. I came down. It was very painful. But I thought that maybe it didn't enter. I came down immediately. I saw blood coming out of my body. I was crying. I was crying and it's only what part of that? Do you know what he told? Do you know what he said? He said that, thank God that you don't know how you make me feel. That he has been wanting to experience his virgin again. That he has never done it before. That he has been craving for it. He said he's so happy doing this. What am I telling him? You're telling me you're happy doing this. Did I do it to you genuinely? You with me? You're telling me in the face that you're happy doing this. So I went to the bathroom to clean up myself. I couldn't even clean up myself. I was just standing and crying, watching the blood come out of my body because I was already thinking that I've disappointed my parents and I've disappointed myself. So he came to the bathroom and started beating it. He was not doing as if he was sorry. He was begging me. He can't leave that for the bathroom. He was now begging me. I told him about that. I did not tell my parents I'm coming here to Abuja, to Asaba. I did not tell anybody. How would I explain to them? How would I tell the world that I carried my son to Asaba to meet a man? Before me and I enter there, who will I explain? If I will call police, they will say I'm still at fault. Besides, the deed has been done. They may still say it's not real because I'm up to 20 years, I'm 21 years. So I just say, if the thing has happened, you say it don't happen, even though I'm not happy. Yeah, I'm just still forgiven. You cannot arrest him, you cannot do anything. Even if I decide to say we still arrest him, he has influence, he's popular. You know, poor man. And money go kill him, please. I said, no problem for you. I even hug him. Forgive me. But I was not talking to him, I was angry. I was still angry. It was like how many hours later I slept. I woke up because I was really serious that there was nothing to put inside me. So I said the beginning stop, I will go. So I'm still waiting in that process. I stepped off and I was weak. I woke up. I ate because I'm not eating since morning. So I woke up, it was already something after 3, I mean after 3, I mean after 4. So it was noodles for me, I ate. And I don't talk with him, I even laughed with him. The laugh was not genuine, but I had to laugh with him because I cannot go depressed. Depression will not do anything, no tears will do anything. And he told me that the dress is going to buy for me and the dress is 32,000. Now once he buy the dress for me, I will go back to normal. This wasn't even told me that I had hope. That was when I even stopped crying. I consoled myself. I had hope that I can still imagine that I'm still a virgin. I know that I'm not a virgin, but I will still imagine. So I told you that I'm not spending the night here. Even when he was sleeping, he was still trying to come close to me, to touch me for the last sex again. I was even after the rape because I followed him up. I still there. I followed him up. That does not mean that he wants to use the opportunity to go over again. Are you okay? And I got and I said that I cannot stay here because I know that if I try and say let me sleep here, they go tomorrow morning. He's still going to wreck me again because me, I will not really agree. You still want to forcefully do it. And I know it's dangerous. So I said, let me go. He can't send me. How much he sent me? It's not 8,000 dirham. And he sent me for transport back to him. He did not give me money for the drugs, nothing. I saw him sending the voice notes to somebody that go to the POS shop, to my shop, take the POS, business POS and transfer 50,000 to me. He did that on my phone, so I will think that he really wants to withdraw 50k and send for me for the drugs. I saw him, it was not someone he was sending it to. I saw what he was doing. But because I was far from the phone, so I was not sure. I told him I'm not leaving it, but he sent me that money for the drugs. He said I should go there, he's going to send it. I don't know that option, but I don't want to sleep because if I should stay there I might sleep. So for me not to sleep, I have to live there. So I lived there. I lived there.
lẹ́yìn tí ọmọbìnrin yìí ṣe fídíò tí ẹ wò tán yẹn, lẹ́yìn tó ṣe fídíò yẹn tán ń ló para rẹ̀ o, ó para rẹ̀ dànù. Ẹ gbọ́, pẹ̀lú àlàyé tẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ àtìlẹ́yìn tí mo ti ṣe síwájú, ta ni ká bú? Ó lágbára o. Kí lè ro tiyín? Kí ni ìwòye tiyín? Ẹ fi ṣọwọ́ sí wa láàyè comment nísàlẹ̀ fídíò yìí. À á kà ó, à á sì ṣe àgbéyẹ̀wò rẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ bá ti ṣọwọ́ sí wa. Ẹ jẹ́ á máa báwọn ọmọ wa sọ̀rọ̀ o. Ẹ jẹ́ á máa kì wọ́n lọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ á máa kọ́ wọn lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ á máa ṣàlàyé tó bá yẹ ká ṣàlàyé fún wọn nípa ìbáṣepọ̀, àjọṣepọ̀ àwọn ọmọbìnrin wa pẹ̀lú ọmọkùnrin. Eléyìí lágbára o. Kọ́ba Elédùmarè kó má jẹ́ kí gbogbo abiyamọ tó ń wò mí tó ń gbọ́ mi kó má jẹ́ á fojú sunkún ọmọ. Àwọn tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí, Kọ́ba Elédùmarè kó bá ní tù wọ́n nú o. Ó lágbára o.